This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Our goal with our videos is to empower you to be able to do the repairs on your own and save a whole lot of money and also get that great feeling of having fixed it by yourself.
So today we're going to try a new product called Bondic to repair a wire that it actually still works fine, but the insulation's kind of cracked. And this one also, the insulation's a little cracked on this multi-tester. So we're going to see if this product can help to correct it. This is Bondic, and supposed to be made from a dentist who got the idea from a bonding material for teeth. So you open up the back end of it and you put the liquid on. After you put the liquid on, you hit it with a blue light. So we're going to just put a dab on there. There we go. Just give it some strength, and then we're going to use this blue light right here. Just turn on the light, and it's supposed to be like a chemical reaction to the blue light. Turn it on for you guys. There we go. So we're gonna get the blue light all over there. And that's supposed to make it cure pretty fast. And I think that will give me insulation again on that wire. Alright, we're going to do the same on this one. So I'm just going to put a little dab on there. So this is interesting. You just squeeze this and the product comes out. Get that over where all the terminal is. I'm going to put this back end back on there so we don't lose any more of that stuff. And then we use the blue light. So I'm hoping this will harden up and act as a way to give it more strength, but also keep it from shorting out. A little drop here. I'm going to see if it hardens up. Comes in a nice little curing case, and I think this is one of those 1995 deals. Yeah, that's interesting. So now that has become a hard plastic. It just took a second of exposure to the light. It was a liquid. That one's also a hard plastic. And this is nice and strong now. And so is that one. Wow. So it does harden right away. Pretty cool. In terms of how strong it is, I'm not sure, but it does do what it says it's going to do. And this piece does feel pretty, this piece of plastic that it made does feel pretty strong. So pretty cool. I think that's going to solve the problem with the insulation on these two. So I think it did a nice job on these wires. Got a big glob of hard plastic on these now. So cool. This shows you this cap comes off and you have this little dispenser also, which is a little more accurate. It just goes on and this goes in, set it in, and you have a nice protective case. All done.